Hey Team 101, in this video we will be talking about top 5 things to know in Forex from 22 till 26 June. So let's begin. The first thing or the event to be analyzed is the COVID-19 COVID-19 cases. COVID-19, we have seen a surge in the COVID-19 or a spike in the COVID-19 cases in several states in US, mainly South and West, looks set to add a jitter looks set to add jitter over a resurgence in the COVID-19 cases. Moreover, the President Donald Trump on Saturday said he had asked US officials to slow down the testing and called it a double-edged sword that may lead to more cases being discovered. The health expert says expanded diagnostic testing accounts for some but not all of the growth in the cases over the 1019 and they 1,19,600 Americans have died from the virus till now, according to the data. On Friday, the Federal Reserve officials warned that the lack of containment may lead to need for more prolonged shutdowns. The second event to be watched is IMF to say the global economic outlook is even worse than before. In its update global economic forecast due on Wednesday, the IMF is expected to say the 2020 global recession will be even worse than it's estimated in its previous forecast in April. Back then, the IMF said the global economy would suffer the worst financial crisis since the Great Depression of 1930s, as it forecast a contraction of 3%. Now the fund is due to warn the decline could be even worse. For the first time since Great Depression, both advanced and emerging market economies will be in recessions in 2020. The forthcoming the forthcoming June would the forthcoming June World Economic Outlook update is likely to show negative growth rates even worse than the previous estimated. The third event or the thing to be watched is the housing data and the durable goods and job loss claim in focus. It's set to be quite a week on the US economic calendar, with investors focusing on new and existing house sales for May along with the durable goods orders, which are expected to rebound but remain below pre virus level. The Thursday closely watched report on initial job loss claim will be main event as it will provide the timeless data on the economic health. The last Thursday report showed that the while number of the initial job loss claim fell, the pace of decline stalled, underlining the view that the economy faces a long and difficult recovery from the COVID-19 recession. The US is also set to release its third estimated on first quarter GDP on Thursday, which will be largely of the historical interest. The Eurozone UK PMI data. In the Eurozone, a report on consumer confidence on Monday will be providing a snapshot of how quickly sentiments is recovering as the economies gradually reopens. Tuesday's PMI data for June will be closely watched. The PMI data for May, while better than the April, showed that the manufacturing and service sectors were deep in contractionary territory. The UK is also releasing PMI data this week. Fifth, the FTS Russell its stock indexes late Friday. The annual rebalancing became final on the fourth Friday every June after market closes. This result in the surge in the trading volume. If you do like my video and an analysis on the top 5 things to be watched on the forex, do consider subscribing and do like, share and comment below. The weekly forecast for the gold and the crude oil would be given in the end screen or the iCard or in the description box. Do check that out. Thanks for watching.